Somehow, it's taken for granted that food in the supermarket needs to be boring, uninspiring and processed.
Reality is that if you want to set out to produce something that is absolutely of restaurant quality, you're therefore making a statement that there can be no compromise, either in terms of the quality of the ingredients or in the process in which you're going to make it.
Even the most casual of observers can see things can be made better. The sheer joy of eating great tasting food shouldn't be limited to people who can afford to eat in expensive restaurants. Delicious food is one of life's gifts for all to enjoy, so it needs to be available here in the supermarket.
One of the things that we absolutely wanted to achieve was to make sure that anything that we put on the shelves in the supermarket would be absolutely the same standard as anything that I might serve in one of my restaurants.
The only way to achieve 100% flavour is zero tolerance. Additives and preservatives need to go for good. Talk openly about every last ingredient. It's a habit that keeps things honest. Practice this at all times. Even when it makes life difficult in the kitchen, what ends up on the table will always be the better for it. Properly brilliant. Accept certain truths, like not all cocoa beans are created equal. Insist on cocoa beans that are only single origin, Colombian cocoa beans. When a chocolate pudding is made with them, it will always have a head start on flavour. Insist on using not any old olive oil, but just the best single-pressed olive oil from Istria. And remember, presentation matters. Serve food in the way that's friendly to the planet and welcome to the table.
Presented in a way that's going to help the customer get maximum satisfaction out of it.
Break down the barriers to easily accessible, fabulous food. We're coming down one supermarket aisle at a time. Our pots may be small, but we're here to make some big changes. Potts & Co. Small pots, mighty flavours.